film Dilruba. So starting from our producers, Ravi Garu, Shivam Celluloids, E-Film to producers ki, debut చేస్తున్నాను. And Saregama is launching over here with already chala music to establish అయ్యారు. But ఇప్పుడు they are also launching as producers. So welcome here. Thanks a ton to the entire team of Saregama, Sahil, Ashish, everyone. Thanks a ton. And I'm really happy. I'm sure this is a beginning of a lot of work that we're going to do together. And Shivam Celluloids, Ravi Garu, Kalyan Garu, Rakesh Reddy Garu, chala thanks. You guys have been very, very supportive. And it's been such a pleasure and so happy working with you all. Thank you so much. Then, of course, our entire team. Firstly, let me start with the opportunity Naku, who's given me this big opportunity. Na amazing director Karun Garu. I think I only had to actually act Anjali, but I think you were not only living Anjali, but you were living every character. And I think that is the commitment that I absolutely love about you. I cannot thank you enough for giving me this opportunity, not only to be an energetic girl, but also with so much good dialogues, emotional variation only. So for me as an actor, it is so nice to do a character like Anjali. So thank you so much. And I know this is going to be a blockbuster start for you, and then you're going to be very, very busy. And all the technicians, music, Sam C.S. Garu, I think he's not here today, but the songs, I think Ipudu songs and trailer chala hit ayaru already. So me audience ki chala thanks, but also Sam C.S. Garu ki chala thanks because every song ki chala different music, chala different emotions, expressed chesaru through the music. So I think he's done an amazing job. Lyrics, Bhaskar Garu, నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ డోంట్ నో సో మచ్ తెలుగు బట్ నా ఇంగ్లీష్తో ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తున్నాను సో ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్కి కూడా చాలా డీప్ మీనింగ్ ఉంది లిరిక్స్కి సో ఐ థింక్ హీస్ డన్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ జాబ్ ఇఫ్ హీస్ హియర్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ Vishwa Garu, thank you so much. I think we've not spoken a lot on sets because you used to be busy doing your work and I used to be busy doing my role of Anjali. But I think you made all of us look even better on screen. So thank you so much. And of course, the art, Sudhir Benzi, thank you so much. I think we usually don't focus so much on, what's going behind us in the art. But when we see it on screen, we're like, wow, what's this going on at the back? And it looks so amazing, especially that when I say Cheppube, that entire whole church, setup has come out so beautiful, and I'm sure so much else also in the film. The entire direction team, Sai, Om, Vamsi, Suresh Garu, na associate director, chala naku, chala supported Charu. And Kalyan, thank you so much, yaar, for helping me with all my dialogues. I don't know what I would do without you, without Karun, to how to play Anjali. So thank you so much. Harsh, Arjun, thank you so much for making Anjali look so cool and so much in sync, and of course all the characters, and of course all the costume assistants sitting there. Thank you so much for being so supportive and making Anjali look her best. Am I missing anyone? Oh yes, my team. Usually, of course. Technicians ki and actors ki chala thank you we say a lot of thank you but na hair makeup team na assistant so Ravi, Pooja, Kinjal, Geeta, Ritika, all of them. Anjali looks the way she looks because of them. So thank you so much, and my agency Blinders, Karthik, Venki, thank you so much for all your support. And the entire cast, I think John sir, Nazia, you all have done your role so brilliantly, and I think it completely writes the story. Kranti, I don't know if he's here. He's also done such an amazing job. And lastly, audience key. I can't na aim చెప్తున్నాను, but chala చాలా నాకు సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు స్టార్టింగ్తో. కృష్ణ అర్జున యుద్ధంతో, నా ఫిల్మ్ అశోకవనంలో చాలా చాలా సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు, చాలా ప్రేమ ఇచ్చారు. సో 14 మార్చ్కి కూడా చాలా యునో నా టీమ్కి, అంజలికి సపోర్ట్ అండ్ మీ ప్రేమ, మీ సపోర్ట్ కావాలి. సో ప్లీజ్ హోలీ డేకై చాలా కలర్ఫుల్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేయడానికి 14 మార్చ్కి మీ ఫ్యామిలీతో, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో, మీ లవర్స్తో, మీ ఎక్సెస్తో థియేటర్కి వచ్చి అండ్ సపోర్ట్ ఆ ఫిల్మ్. And I'm 100% sure నిజంగా మీ డిసప్పాయింట్ అవ్వలేదు. You will be entertained like anything. That is 100%. And మీడియాకి ఎలా ఆల్ జర్నలిస్ట్కి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. నాకు చాలా సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు, నా టీమ్కి చాలా సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ అండ్ కవరింగ్ ది ఈవెంట్. అండ్ ఎస్, దట్స్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. అంజలి చాలా ఫ్రెష్ క్యారెక్టర్, చాలా న్యూ క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది. నా వేరే రోల్స్ కొంచెం చాలా డిఫరెంట్ యాక్చువల్లీ, చాలా కమర్షియల్ జోన్కి ఉంది. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి అ ట్రీట్ ఫర్ ది ఆడియన్స్ ఆల్సో టు వాచ్ Ruksha also in a different zone. So thank you so much.